Welcome to the demo of the 24C feature, Create, Edit, and Search for Workstations in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. Production operators execute work order operations at an assigned physical location, which can be a combination of machines or a workbench. With Create, Edit, and Search for Workstations feature, you can now model this physical location as a workstation within a work center and associate equipment resource instances to it. By accurately modeling your factory floor with workstations and assigned equipment resource instances, you will get better visibility into labor and equipment activity during production. This demo shows how you can search for workstations, create a new workstation, and assign equipment resource instances to it. I have navigated to the Workstations task in Work Definition work area. Here you can see a list of workstations that have been defined in the plant. You can search for a specific workstation by its name or code. I am now going to create a new workstation by clicking on Create Workstation. After entering the details for the workstation, including the work center that the workstation is going to be part of, I click on Create. In the next page, I can view the workstation details and assign equipment resource instances to it by clicking on Add in the Equipment section. Here, only equipment resource instances that belong to the work center that the workstation is part of can be assigned. It is important to note that an equipment resource instance can only be assigned to one workstation at any given time, and the workstation's work center cannot be changed after creating the workstation. The workstation is now created and can be used for execution of work order operations. This concludes the demo for this feature. To learn more about executing work order operations at a workstation, watch the feature demo recording of Execute Production at a Workstation and Automate Resource Transactions feature. Thank you.